Welcome back to the AutoVex. The unveiling of the 2026 Cat pickup truck marks a bold and unexpected expansion into the premium heavy-duty pickup segment by Caterpillar Inc., a brand globally recognized for building some of the toughest construction and industrial machines ever created. And as this new pickup emerges onto the automotive stage, it carries with it decades of engineering heritage, industrial strength DNA, and a commitment to durability that immediately separates it from conventional trucks, presenting a vehicle designed not only for everyday driving but for extreme working environments, adventurous off-road exploration, and uncompromising reliability. And as the camera slowly reveals the truck under dramatic lighting, the first impression is one of absolute dominance. With a massive front grille designed to maximize cooling efficiency while delivering an aggressive and unmistakable presence, flanked by ultra-durable LED matrix headlights engineered to provide exceptional nighttime visibility and impact resistance, while the bold Cat signature styling embedded into the grille and front fascia reinforces the truck's identity as a machine built for performance, resilience, and authority. And as the cinematic view moves along the hood, the muscular sculpting reflects aerodynamic engineering designed to improve airflow, reduce drag, and enhance fuel efficiency despite the truck's imposing size. While heavy-duty reinforced body panels, constructed from advanced high-strength steel and aluminum alloy, provide structural integrity capable of withstanding extreme working conditions. And as the camera glides toward the side profile, the truck reveals its commanding stance with an extended wheelbase, aggressive off-road tires, and high ground clearance designed to conquer rough terrain, rocky trails, muddy job sites, and desert landscapes with equal confidence. While reinforced skid plates, heavy-duty suspension arms, and industrial-grade underbody protection ensured that the Cat pickup truck remains operational, even in the harshest environments. And as attention shifts toward the rear of the truck, the cargo bed showcases one of the most innovative and practical designs in the pickup segment, featuring a modular heavy-duty bed system constructed to handle exceptional payload capacity, integrated power outlets for construction tools and outdoor equipment, advanced tie-down technology, and smart load monitoring sensors that detect weight distribution and provide stability alerts, ensuring both safety and efficiency during transportation. And as the cabin doors open, the interior reveals a surprising transformation from industrial ruggedness to refined modern comfort, offering a dual-purpose environment that balances professional utility with premium driving luxury, where durable waterproof materials meet high-end craftsmanship, featuring reinforced leather seating, scratch-resistant surfaces, and customizable ambient lighting that adds a modern touch to the otherwise robust cabin atmosphere. While the dashboard introduces a fully digital command center equipped with an advanced infotainment display designed to provide real-time vehicle diagnostics, terrain management controls, navigation, connectivity options, and integrated work monitoring systems, allowing drivers to monitor engine performance, towing statistics, fuel efficiency, and off-road data in real time, while the intelligent software platform learns driver preferences, automatically adjusting climate settings, seat positioning, and driving modes based on individual usage patterns. And as the driver settles into the ergonomically designed seat, the Cat pickup truck demonstrates exceptional comfort technology through multi-contour seating support, heating and ventilation functions, vibration dampening, engineering, and posture optimization systems designed to reduce fatigue during long working hours or extended road trips, while rear passengers are treated to spacious seating, advanced entertainment displays, and enhanced acoustic insulation that reduces engine noise and external environmental disturbances, creating a balanced environment suitable for both professional, work crews, and family travel. And beneath the impressive design and luxurious cabin lies the heart of the Cat pickup truck's performance capability, featuring a next-generation turbo diesel engine paired with an advanced hybrid electric assistance system designed to deliver exceptional torque output, heavy towing capacity, improved fuel economy, and reduced emissions, providing drivers with instant low-end power essential for hauling heavy loads, climbing steep terrain, and navigating demanding worksite conditions, while the hybrid assistance system enhances fuel efficiency during highway cruising and urban driving scenarios, representing a modern approach to balancing power with environmental responsibility. And the integration of a heavy-duty adaptive suspension system further enhances the truck's performance by automatically adjusting ride height, shock absorption, and stability settings based on terrain analysis, allowing the vehicle to transition smoothly from rugged off-road trails to smooth highway cruising without sacrificing comfort or control. And as the truck moves through challenging off-road environments, Its advanced terrain management system offers multiple driving modes, including rock crawling, sand driving, mud traction, snow stability, and high-performance towing. Each mode precisely calibrating throttle response, suspension behavior, traction control, and power distribution to maximize performance and safety under different conditions. While the Cat pickup truck introduces an advanced four-wheel drive system with intelligent torque vectoring capable of distributing power to individual wheels for improved grip, stability, and maneuverability in extreme terrain, and as safety becomes a key focus. The 2026 Cat pickup truck introduces an extensive suite of advanced driver assistance technologies designed to protect both occupants and cargo, including adaptive cruise control, multi-angle collision avoidance, trailer sway control, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree off-road camera systems, and predictive braking assistance powered by advanced sensor networks and artificial intelligence. While augmented reality towing assistance projects, real-time trailer alignment, guidance directly onto the driver's display, simplifying complex towing maneuvers and reducing driver stress. Revolutionary worksite integration technology that allows drivers to connect the truck with construction equipment, fleet management systems, and remote job site monitoring tools, enabling real-time productivity tracking, maintenance scheduling, a mobile command center for professional operations. The engine adjusts climate settings, monitor vehicle health. The Cat pickup truck demonstrates exceptional touring capability by maintaining stable high-speed cruising while advanced stability control systems automatically compensate for crosswinds, uneven road surfaces, and heavy cargo loads, ensuring driver confidence and passenger comfort throughout extended journeys. While the intelligent climate control system continuously monitors cabin temperature, humidity levels, and air quality, adjusting airflow and filtration systems automatically to maintain optimal comfort regardless of external environmental conditions, and as night falls across an open desert highway. The truck's advanced lighting technology activates adaptive beam steering and high-intensity illumination that adjusts based on steering angle, speed, and road conditions, significantly improving nighttime driving safety, while the interior ambient lighting synchronizes with driving modes, creating an immersive driving atmosphere that blends functionality with emotional driving engagement, and alongside luxury and performance. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe.